The purpose of this next project is to become familiar with the online version of Snap, which you see right here. The online version is great. Right now we're using the one that you download, the one that we're using in class right now. But the online one, you can log on anywhere you like, at home or another computer, and you can create an account, which I'm going to have you do, and then save whatever projects you create, save them in the cloud. So you're just going to create a very simple project, and there's a tutorial which you're going to work through in order to do that. And you can see this is the whole code right here. It says when the green flag is clicked, set the ghost effect to 0, go to a particular XY location. Now the ghost effect is how transparent the sprite is. And then say this little welcome statement. Now the XY locations are just like in math class, 0, 0 is in the center, this is the x-axis, and actually the edge of the screen is about x value 190, this is about x equals negative 190. In the y direction, that's about negative 130 and positive 130 up there, but you'll play around with that a little bit. So this is what happens when the script runs, and then it says, when I am clicked, that means a mouse click on this guy, every time the sprite is clicked, it changes the ghost effect by 5, and you'll see what happens every time you click him. And then we end up in this forever loop. The forever loop says, switch to the next costume, move to a random location, wait 2 seconds, and change the ghost effect by -5. So every time you click, this happens, and then he goes into this forever loop. But let's run the thing, and you'll kind of see what's going on. So I'll click the green flag, welcome. So every time I click him, you can see now this is highlighted. I'm in this forever loop. He jumps every 2 seconds. He jumps to a different location. Now I'll click him a few times, and you'll see what happens. Every time I click him, see anything happening? I'm clicking. Right, every time I click him, it's rerunning this, and it's changing his ghost effect by 5. In other words, he becomes more ghost-like. It starts to disappear. Right, every time I click him, he's rerunning this one click, change ghost effect by 5, and then he goes into this forever loop. And so you'll see, again, he goes to random locations, he waits for 2 seconds, and then his ghost effect changes by 5. He becomes less ghost-like. Anyway, the cool part is you're going to make this little project following the tutorial, and then you're going to download it and be able to run it on your phone. It'll be very cool. Alrighty, good luck.